Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. In this scenario, the user has forgot username and password, and whenever try to add localhost 8080, it is trying to open a login page. Okay, in this scenario, what we can do, how we can remove the screen so that we can create a new username and password and proceed with it. Okay, the first thing you have to do, guys, is net stop Jenkins. So Jenkins service is stopping. Jenkins has stopped successfully. This is the first thing you have to do. You have to stop the Jenkins. Then what you have to do, you have to go to the C drive. You have to go to the program data. In program data, you have to go to Jenkins. Then delete the entire Jenkins from the program data. So after that, what you have to do, guys, just click on jenkins.msi file which you have downloaded initially. Click on next. Now click on remove. So you have to remove all the things which are related to Jenkins. Now it will remove the entire Jenkins. Jenkins again. Click on next. It will be the new install. Click on next. Here you have to click on run as local system. Next. Test the port. Next. And you have to give the next and then start the service. Just click on next, install. Once you install Jenkins, you have to open the localhost. Click on localhost 8080. It is going to the initial page, unlock Jenkins. Add the admin password here and then the login screen will not display. Here you can create the new user. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.